this test is for me. Tell me what language this is. I'm going to read and try to translate for you. It says Hutsufatso ya molao wa motheo wa Lesotho. It says the abridged Constitution of Lesotho, or the abridged Lesotho Constitution. And it says, what does the Constitution say? What does the foundation say? Motheo o reng? Motheo is the foundation. Selelekela. Introduction. Ho rua tsebo ke ho ipha matlai. I think it means, I'll be very close. To gain knowledge is to acquire wisdom. Ho rua tsebo. Rua means like if you're raising chicken. So here it's talking about raising knowledge in that sense. Do you see how rich this Sesotho language is?